So they built this bridge in 2001, a long time ago. So let's go to Raspberry Park, right? Unexpected consequences going across that bridge. So let's go check it out. Nice little park. Let's have you walking over here. You got that train over there cruising right along. You can see all the houseboats. Parking is somewhat free. Parking the street over there, I parked over there. Oh, cool. And you can walk up to the Wabasha Bridge and I'll walk across. You can go over there. So there's the old Mighty Mo, you guys. That's where I was in the last video, across the railroad tracks. And the bridge went up, so maybe there's something coming and lifted it up. So Raspberry Island. Interesting. So I wonder if you somehow get across here, how you get over there. So that's kind of cool. You can cruise along over here. I'll walk up those stairs. We'll head on back that way. Raspberry Island, man. Minnesota Boat Club. So you can go back and forth there. That's why you don't have a Prince statue here. Oh, cool. Well kept. You can walk up those stairs. These things that you can drop wherever you drop. They come and get these. So he's hauling some oil and some cars, and very nice. Starting to bloom here, 27th day of April, 2024. It's nice. Could probably guarantee there's a lot of weddings here. Get married, put up chairs, and very nice. Wabasha Bridge. Beautiful day for a walk. Not too cold. Kind of looks like it's kind of beat up a little bit. But got all the docks over here. That's where I was, the railroad tracks over there. Probably saw me coming, said we better lift up that rail track so it doesn't come on over. And people stealing electrical out of here, as you can tell. Come on to the end out here. You could have a little wedding out here if you wanted, a little small one. Yep. Downtown St. Paul. The old mighty Mo. Yeah, they lit that bridge up. Cruise on down there. Do some fishing. Yeah, pretty nice place, but the people have, you kind of tell, they've stripped the wire for their drugs. It's unfortunate for copper. Ruined it. So that's too bad. But it looks like it's kept up pretty well. I'm not going to come down here at night, but the XL over here. I don't know if that used to be a, I don't know what that used to be. Maybe for weddings, I have no idea. You know, I didn't even know this was here. Just kind of walked over here, and after being fought by the thing lifting up, thank God I wasn't on it. That would have been a bitch. That would have been a problem. But yeah, down by the old mighty Mo. These are kind of cool. I like. That's a cool area right there. All those. It's kind of cool. Anyway, we're gonna walk up the next video and then walk back that way and head home. So anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one. All right.